When it comes to home renovations, there's a new breed of decision makers. Literally. Forget kids or in-laws, it's the pets who are calling the shots. That's right. Fluffy and Fido have officially made their way into the Home Improvement Committee, with homeowners giving a whole new meaning to the term pet project. According to the 2024 U.S. Who's Pets in the Home study, almost half of the respondents claim that they prioritize their pets when making home improvement decisions. So if you find yourself feeling like one of the main reasons you go to work every day is to provide a nice home for your furry friend, you're not alone. Check out these 5 ways pets are influencing what work gets done around the house for pet-loving homeowners. 1. Making sure they're comfy and safe. Whether it's blocking off the construction zone for their pup's safety, adding a temporary escape plan for their cat, or entirely relocating them to a relative's home or pet spa, a majority of homeowners make sure that their pet has a way to get out of the fray while work is in progress. 2. Choosing pet-friendly products and materials. When it comes to materials, it's not just about aesthetics. It's about durability, scratch resistance, and avoiding disasters. While pets may not be walking up and down the aisles of Home Depot picking out paint samples, 34% of pet owners said they consider their pets while choosing products. Investing in stain-proof fabrics and hardwood floors that stand up to claws help to ensure home improvements last through at least a few hundred rounds of zoomies. 3. Sometimes they influence projects on small levels. Sometimes it's the little things that count, like ensuring your pet has their own special nook in your home. Nearly a quarter of renovating pet owners, 22%, design their spaces with their pets' needs in mind. Whether it's a feeding station tucked away in the kitchen or a cozy corner just for napping, pets are getting their own personal space integrated into reno plans. 4. But sometimes the project is entirely for them. Forget about updating kitchens and bathrooms. Some renovation projects are entirely pet-focused. Nearly 10% of pet owners went all out with custom pet installations, like stylish feeding stations, luxurious catios, built-in grooming stations, personal play structures, and even litter box hideaways. 5. And sometimes it's because of them. Pets leave their mark in life, sometimes a little too literally. Whether it's scratches, slobber, or that one chewed-up baseboard, pet owners are making home upgrades to accommodate their furry companions. Because in a pet's world, it's their home and we just live in it. And if you want to live in it, you better be prepared to replace carpeting, floors, touch up paint, replace doors. But the pure joy of having them in your life is worth every penny each home improvement and vet bill costs, isn't it?